Hello class, today we're going to be working in Microsoft PowerPoint. Some may be familiar with this, others may not. I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to navigate it and give you some tools you can use in creating your PowerPoint. We'll be using PowerPoint to create a process board. A process board shows each step of the process. The process that we've been working with is styrofoam monoprinting. So let's go over some basics. The first thing that you need to know is how to put it in present mode. The present icon is right here in the right-hand corner of your screen. Click present. So now you have a full screen. You can navigate your slides with the arrow keys. If I want to leave present mode, I hit the escape key on my keyboard. Now I'm back in edit mode. So let's talk a little bit about design. This is just a template for you to look at and work from. These are not your images. I need you to plug in your text in your images, but I need you to take it further. I need you to add some color and some design to your slides. So let's go to our design tab. And we have themes. Themes are going to change every single slide. If I click on this theme right here, it's going to change all my slides. But let's say I want to change just one slide. I can go to Designer, click on that, and it has different design ideas for my title slide that I'm on. So if I were to click, let's say I were to click this slide right here, it would only change the slide that I'm on. All right, let's go to Insert. So we got New Slide. This is where we can add a slide. This is where we can reuse a slide. Reuse slides is really cool because if I want a certain slide to have the same design as the prior slide, then I can do that. But if I want new information, I can delete the information and plug in new information on the other slide, but still keep the same design. All right. Now we got pictures in the text box. These are the two things you're going to use the most. You could venture on to shapes. You can venture on to smart art, but we're going to be using pictures in the text box the most. As you can see, I clicked on text box and now I have a text box there. So let's say I want to type something in my text box. Let's say directions. All right. And if I want to change the font, I need to go back home. I need to highlight my font, go to my font choices. Let's say I want agency, FB. That will change my font right there. So that's something you can play around with to make your presentation more interesting. Let me delete this. Well, come on now. There we go. All right, let's go back to Insert tab. Let's go to Pictures. If I want to insert a picture from my device, I'll click on this device. I'll go to Choose Files, and it will pull up images that are on my Chromebook. All right. If I want to insert a certain image, I'll just click on it and click Open. All right, let's get out of that. So let's talk about some basics with pictures. If I want to change the position of a picture on this slide right here, I'm going to take my my mouse pad, and I'm going to move the image where I want it to go. Okay. Now, if I want to resize the image, make it bigger or smaller, I can take a corner, make it bigger, make it smaller. however I want it. I can do that. If I need to rotate an image, I got this option right here to rotate it. All right. Okay. So these are some basics that you need to be successful in PowerPoint. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask me in class. I hope everyone's having a great day, and thank you for watching. See ya.